Did you know the longest hiccup attack ever recorded lasted 68 years? An American man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. He hiccuped about 20 times per minute, living through marriages, jobs, and daily life with constant hiccups. It's considered one of the weirdest and longest medical records in history. Imagine dealing with hiccups while eating, sleeping, or even talking for nearly 7 decades. Now that's a record. Credits written and produced by Did You Know series.